Kukjedanjo. The history of Kukjedanjo has developed along with the history of the agricultural economy of Korea. The immense dream of Kukjedanjo is widening the welfare environment of farmers in the 21st century through its aim of quality as its top priority towards the future and the world. It is making great efforts to manufacture perfect products with a technological power built over many years and state-of-the-art equipment facilities for production. Its campaign for zero defect represents the will of Kukjedanjo towards standardized production and higher quality. Kukjedanjo, which specializes in rotary blades, always tries to provide customers with cutting-edge technology while seeking to grow together with farmers.